Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the formation of sediment. The formation of sediment is a process within the rock cycle. This is the part where the magma crystallizes, the magma comes out as lava, hardens, becomes igneous rocks, uplifted to the surface. Then the weathering and erosion happen to the igneous rock, breaking it down and then transporting it and depositing it into a body of water. That's where the sedimentation process begins. The sediment becomes settled, and then the compaction and cementation starts, and then it forms into sedimentary rock, so on and so on. Once the magma oozes out of the Earth's surface, it becomes lava. The lava then cools and hardens into igneous rock, extrusive igneous rock to be exact. The igneous rock is what is weathered and eroded down and transformed into sediment. Once that material has become sediment, it can be transported by wind, water, ice, or gravitational force. These forces move the sediments to where they settle and begin the sedimentation process. This is where they will begin lithification and then transform into sedimentary rocks. Lithification consists of three processes: deposition, compaction, and cementation. Deposition is when the sediment begins lying down. Compaction happens as the sediment begins to lose its porosity and the pressure of overlying layers, Then lastly, the cementation process takes place. This is when the clastic sediments begin hardening and welding together. After the sedimentary rocks have formed, the rock cycle continues on. Here are my references. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little demonstration. Make this big. Okay. What I have done is created a sediment jar. I have taken soil out of my garden and created natural soil. From the natural soil, created a sediment jar where this is going to demonstrate the organic matter that would be getting pushed down in a body of water and settling out in the sedimentation process. So what I've already done is added water to the jar of dirt that I just got out of the garden. And now typically we would let it sit for a few days and let the sedimentation process take place and let the organic matter settle out the sand, silt, and clay into several different layers. So now I have a jar that I have let sit a few days, and it has begun to settle. I'm going to try to turn on my flashlight to kind of help you see. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, there are several different layers already beginning to form. I think that get me closer, and you can see the sand, silt, and the matter have all become several different layers. Now, however, there is still organic matter at the top, so I will leave this sitting for as long as it needs to until the water has completely absorbed this matter and all of it has settled. But there's not much left, so it has settled a lot. You can see there's even some living organisms in there, some worms that got caught up in the process. But there you have it. That is how sediment is formed and transported and then becomes sedimentary rock. I hope that this was helpful for you in your learning process.